Hello students, I hope you all are safe and utilizing your free time efficiently and effectively. Myself Nitika Dharmoli, teacher at Madhara Sandhya Public School, and our today's video is based on holiday homework of class 6 science. There will be 2 questions and you have to make project on each question. So let's start. I'll be explaining you both the questions one by one. First of all, see question number 1. Question number 1, you have to make a project on the major nutrients of food. What is a balanced diet? Explain different types of deficiency diseases. And in one paragraph, you have to tell or give suggestions that how healthy eating habits among children in India can be developed. So how you're going to make a project on this? First of all, you will write down the name of the major nutrients. There are 7 nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, then roughage or dietary fiber, and in last, water. After that, you will tell the sources of these nutrients, their important functions accordingly. Then you have to explain what is a balanced diet, what all things must include in your balanced diet. Then after balanced diet, you have to explain different types of deficiency diseases like protein malnutrition causes kwashiorkor, that is the name of the disease. Then protein energy malnutrition, PEM, and the disease name is marasmus. Then vitamin deficiency diseases, there are vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, and there are other vitamins too, and deficiency diseases and symptoms. Then you will tell mineral deficiency diseases, minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium and potassium, fluorine, zinc, their deficiency diseases and what are the symptoms. So this is how you're going to explain the whole question, and in last you will tell the your suggestions, how you can enhance or develop healthy eating habits among yourselves or among children of India. You can make tables or diagrams, or if you, cuttings of papers or diagrams or pictures is available with you, you can use them. If you have printer, you can get print out of the different images related to different deficiency diseases, and you can paste these pictures in your project. So you can use all these in your project report. Now see the question number 2. First of all, see in question number 1, you can refer to chapter 2 components of food videos. The chapter 2 has been divided into 3 parts. The videos are available in part 1, part 2, and part 3 in Madhara Sandhya Public School YouTube channel. So you can refer to those videos also. Now see question number 2. In this question, you have to tell or explain what are natural fibers and how you obtain the natural fibers, means the method of obtaining natural fibers. You have to use at least 3 examples of natural fibers and how you obtain them. 3 examples such as cotton, silk, jute. For example, cotton, where cotton is grown in India, how cotton is obtained, then whether it is a plant fiber or a animal fiber under natural fiber. Then you have to explain how the fiber and fabric is made, where it is used. Similarly, where jute is grown in India, again it is a plant fiber, how jute is obtained. Then all these details you have to give in your project report. along with the pictures if pictures are available with you. Along with these details, mention their uses also. Now see how you're going to make a project. What will be the sequence? In first page, you're going to write name of the school, Madaras India Public School. So the school name, you will mention your name, class, academic year, subject, roll number, etc. Then in second page, you are going to write acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, you are going to thank principal ma'am and all those who have helped you in making of this project. Then you will write in next page index. In index, you will put numberings of what all things are there in your project in sequence. Then in next page you are going to write the title or the question of the project, and after that giving introduction, and you will start writing the details or the content of the project. At the end of the project you will make a page with heading bibliography. In bibliography you will include the list of books or websites or video links or other works which you have consulted in making of the project. So this is how you're going to complete your project, and in last you will write thank you. So I hope both the questions are clear to you, and make the project accordingly. For second question, that is based on natural fibers, you can consult the videos of chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric of class 6 science. It has been divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Both videos are there on the YouTube channel of Madaras India Public School. And all the best. Thank you very much.